Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming access and making a backup copy. This protects the original if you need to revert. Next, identify the cells with formulas you want hidden and record their addresses. Then, open Data Protect Sheets and Ranges, create a protected range for those cells, and restrict editing to specific accounts only. Once done, make sure to test with a viewer account. That reveals whether formulas remain visible. This early sequencing prevents accidental exposure and preserves your work. You now convert formulas into values programmatically so viewers cannot inspect them. Open Extensions App Script and write a function that copies formula results to a separate display sheet using getValues. Then set values. Do not copy formulas. Add a menu item or an on-edit trigger to run it as needed. Once done, keep the formula-bearing sheet restricted to editors only and make the display sheet shared. This preserves live outputs while preventing formula discovery by non-editors. Finish by locking the original formula sheet and sharing only the values sheet with viewers. This separates computation from display. After publishing or sharing, test access using a different Google account and an incognito window to verify formulas stay hidden. If you spot formulas still visible, revoke shares immediately, restore from your backup copy, and audit protected ranges and app script permissions. One key tip: check container-bound script scopes. Improper scopes can expose content, so restrict triggers and OAuth scopes to minimum necessary.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.